In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep a decision log using message board in Basecamp. Every time your team makes a decision, like a scope choice, a design direction, or a timeline change, capture it as its own message board post. To do that, open your project, go to the message board, and click New Message. Give it a very clear title that starts with Decision, plus the topic and date. For example, Decision. Choose option A for homepage layout, 2025-07-15. Consistent titles make scanning and sorting a breeze later. I recommend using a consistent date format like YYYYMMDD, especially if your team spans regions, so no one confuses days and months. Keep the subject concise but specific to the decision, not the discussion. If the decision replaces a previous one, note that in the body rather than the title. And avoid including private details. Link to secure docs instead when necessary. In the message body, spell out exactly what was decided, why it was chosen or the context, who agreed and their roles, and the date and time. If you have supporting materials like designs or specs, add links. Then click Post. The decision will appear on the board, and teammates can comment to ask for clarification or add relevant notes. Keeping discussion in comments helps preserve the full history alongside the decision. As your log grows, use sorting to keep decisions easy to find. On the message board, you can change the order. Sort alphabetically AZ to group all posts that start with Decision together. Or stick with the default by original post date so the newest decisions sit at the top. If comments are updating context, switch to sorting by latest comment so actively discussed decisions surface. Choose whatever view fits how your team scans information and change it anytime. For especially important or active decisions, pin the message so it stays visible above newer posts. Pinning keeps critical guidance front and center, for example, a design direction that impacts multiple work streams, or a timeline change the whole team needs to follow. When the decision is no longer critical, simply unpin it so the board returns to its normal flow. That's all you need to keep a clean, durable decision log in Basecamp. One message per decision with a clear title and context, sensible sorting to surface what matters, and pinning for the big calls. Used consistently, this approach prevents confusion, reduces repeated conversations, and gives new teammates an immediate snapshot of how and why choices were made. Pause this video, set up your first decision post, and you'll be ready to capture the next one the moment it happens.